the front to create like the little fake hairs, as y'all see. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mercedes and I'm back with another makeup video. As y'all see, I got my lash extensions done. If y'all watched my last video, which I'll link that in the description box below, y'all will see that I actually got my brows and my lashes done. But I did get them laminated and tinted, and I got the hybrid lashes. It is time for a fill, as y'all can see. I like to moisturize my face with some sunscreen. And you need to wear this if you wear makeup or not, like either way. A little bit above where the hair stops. You're going to trace that, not too harsh. You want to use a light hand, kind of just feather it. And connect that tail. And there we go, we have a shape. Now we're going to repeat that same step on the other eyebrow. Makeup is just an illusion, okay? You could add, take away, subtract. It's like math, okay? Everything goes together. Just now I'm going to take my eyebrow styler and just fill in the hairs. And I like going upwards when I reach the front to create like the little fake hairs, as y'all see. So yeah, doing light strokes upwards create like fake hairs, and you just kind of want to follow that motion all the way to the tail. And there you go. And I'm going to repeat that same step on the other side. Now I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix Concealer in NC35. Is this NC35? Yeah. I know my colors, girl. I'm a MAC girl, okay? Like, I'm a MAC girl, so it's just in me to remember everything off the top of my head. Yeah, I've been working for MAC for about almost 3 years now. I started when I was 19 years old. Damn, wait, 4. I'm getting old. I started working for MAC when I was 19 years old, y'all. I am 22 now.
And this just helps it like blend and have that seamless effect.
Literally find it anywhere. But I'm just gonna blend that out. Just like to touch up in the front and just kind of dab that right in the front of the baby hairs. I mean, in front of the baby hairs, but in front of these brow hairs so that it gives it that seamless effect. There you have it. This is how you make thin brows look thick and full. So that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope that this video was useful and that it helped y'all get y'all brows looking thick and full. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe so y'all can see when I upload another makeup video. But yeah, I hope this video was useful. I hope that it helped you guys. And without further ado, I'll see you later. Mwah.